Hello and welcome to NoobTrader. Today we're going to talk about how to record your P&L. And as a surprise, we've actually prepared an Excel sheet so you can record yours. Let's begin. Under the video you're currently watching, you will find in the description a link. This link is created so you can download the Excel sheet to record your P&L. You may click the link. After clicking the link, the file will open. Please download the file. After the file is downloaded, you may open it through Excel. Now, let's begin explaining each of the columns and how you can apply them in your personal advantage. First column is the month. It is always recommended to begin with paper trading. Currently, we're in the month of April of 2021. This column here is created to post all your dates of the trades. On the other column, we have our wins and losers. These are the trades that we have won or we have lost money on them. On the ticker column, you just write the name of the stock you traded. ACC total is the value of your account. The hashtag column numbers all the trades that you have done. If you want to record more trades, you can simply insert more rows. Next column, P&L. What is P&L? P&L is the abbreviation of profit and loss. This is the way traders refer to the daily change to the value of their trading positions. The general formula for P&L is value today minus value yesterday. So if 550 yesterday and today they are worth minus 250, then your P&L is $300. Same formula is continued to the rest of the trades. On the trades column, we have different values from 0 to infinity. How are they counted? For the positive and negative column, we add a value of 1 if a trade is positive and minus 1 if a trade is negative. If the previous trade was positive, we add 1. If the previous trade was negative, we minus 1. Plus 1, plus 1, minus 1, and so on. This trades value column helps us in the progress chart right here. Next up, we have the daily average. The daily average sums up all the trades of the days and divides them by day. Please remember, as we get more and more trades, this value will become more accurate. The neighboring column shows the percentage of all these trades. In this case, 80% of them are successful. From all these 5 trades, 4 of them are positive. The daily average P&L percentage is indicated here as well. We have 80% of all trades successful, or in a form factor is 4 out of 5. On the next set of columns, we have the week average. It's the same as the daily, but in this case, it's just for the week. You might be wondering, why do we have these gray slots painted? These color indicators refer to the change of days or weeks. As you see on the 7th of April, it is white. 12th of April, it is darker. On April 13, we see this first row is being white as well as the other one, because both of those 13 of April are the same day. For the gray portion of the week, we just paint the days of the week. The week began 12th of April and it ended on the 16th of April. Now that you've got a glimpse of how to use the recording of your P&L, please use it freely and always begin with paper trading before you start with real money. I hope you find this Excel sheet helpful and give you a clearer picture of how you progress. Thank you for watching NoobTrader and have an awesome day.